I'd like to introduce you to the MBK Legend 40s. These keycaps are for 40% or smaller keyboards. They're fantastic for like split keyboards, and you'll see them actually in a lot of our builds. There's two different types. There are the gray on white and the white on gray. And these are PBT plastic keycaps, just so you see them. My personal favorite, because as you know, I love the white and the contrast with the black. It's a nice full set. This is what it looks like on the Corne keyboard. This is my personal keyboard. And this is after, tons of use, because I use my keyboard all day, every day. You could see they're very durable keycaps. Again, they're for 40% keyboards. They come with multiple convex. So you have 1U, 1.5, and 2Us. And then you have a full set of Legends. These are the whites. Now let's take a look at the grays. These are some beautiful keycaps, as you could tell. They have a good coloring, very durable, like I said. So here's the two keycap sets with the white on gray and the gray on white. You can pick yours up today at turkeyboards.com. Thanks for watching.